Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting a new JavaScript series, which will be a completely beginner course, and today I'm going to teach you about variables in JavaScript. So let's get started. So in JavaScript, as we have already come from other language like C or C++, you have heard int or character, something like that. But in JavaScript we don't have to specify whether it is an integer or a string or character. In JavaScript we have to declare one thing, which is only var. Then we can declare any variables, just like name equal to orno, or if you type var x equal to 10. Whenever you are declaring the value here, just like 10 here, 10 is a numeric, so x will act like a numeric here. And if you see in the name variable, it is a string, so the name is a string variable. So if you want to access this variable, all you have to do is console log the value so that we can see it. Console log that name. In our console log we are seeing the name here. So this is how variables work. So you can do much more with this, just like this name, and you can add this number here. Let's see what it happens. So yeah, we are getting an output of orn of 10. So we can add we can concatenate two strings in this particular case. So 10 is act like a string. So what if we do x here? Yeah, it is doing the same stuff. So in this case, x is acting like a string, just like that. And let's suppose we're getting a surname equal dash. So what we have to do is surname, we will get orno dash. Yeah, if you want to give some spaces here, you can do it like that. Yeah, so this is all about variable, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.